Page 9, Simple Gifts. Very well-known melody. 3 lines long, treble bass clef, 4/4 time signature. We have a pickup beat there. The first 2 eighth notes, that's beat 4. We're coming in on beat 4. The first 3 beats are in the last measure at the bottom. You see them there? They take the last measure and cut it. Okay. Lots of eighth notes here. You take both hands together. The left hand starts on 4th finger on G here. And the right hand starts with thumb on middle C here. So we're in middle C position. It's 4 and 1 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Get the idea? Second line, second measure. Eighth notes 1 and 2 and split up between the hands. Okay. So you go through and get the notes and rhythm worked out. Then go back through and get rid of the hesitations. And we can think about the articulation. They're putting in the phrase markings here. That makes it a little easier. You're going to connect it up and just a little lift between the phrases. Lift up, like taking a breath. Just lift up between the phrases. It's fine, and you can follow their phrasing. It's good. These slurred lines in this piece are phrases. Dynamics, well, again, they give you 1, an MF at the beginning. Mezzo forte is sort of loud, medium loud, whatever you think that is. Not loud, just sort of loud. It's in the middle. It's on the loud side of the middle range. Yeah. Speed, well, not too slowly. If you go slow, just drags. Don't go too slowly here. It's got a flow, but you can flow slow. It's okay. If you were going to sing it, how fast would you sing it? And you think 1, 2, 3, 4, is that slow? Well, yeah, it's the overall feel of it, and the eighth notes are going to slow it down some. Now you may be wondering here, maybe you're not wondering, but I'm wondering. I'll just talk about it. In middle C position, the hands are sharing middle C, and it's one hand or the other playing it. And you may wonder, well, how do they decide which hand plays middle C? And the answer is, I have no idea. It's just whichever. I just look at the second line last measure. It's here. I mean, the C's being played in each hand. Didn't have to be. One hand could have done it all. But it gives a good idea of the hand sharing middle C. So you just do it the way the music's saying it. Although if you wanted one hand to play it all, there's nothing wrong with it. It's not incorrect. It's just good practice here to have the hands sharing it. Let's play this together very slowly and double check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts because we come in on beat 4. And because the eighth notes are all over the place, I'm going to put the metronome on eighth notes again. So it's beating eighth notes. 1 and ready and go and 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 4 and. And off. Now there's a duet at the bottom for this also. Let's play that together. I'll play that and you play what you just played. Again, I need you to go up an octave. So just pretend that middle C instead of here is up here. And instead of here, you're up here. Play it all up here. I'll give us 3 counts, 3 quarter note counts. 1 and ready and go and.